The mission is called Origins Spectral Interpretation Resource Identification Security Regolith Explorer, or OSIRIS-REx for short. The goal, to send an unmanned spacecraft to the near-Earth asteroid Bennu and return to Earth with a little piece of it that may help scientists then discover the origins of life on Earth.
We feel that early on, asteroids like Bennu may have landed on the surface of the Earth and seeded the surface with all of the materials that you're going to need to ultimately create the origin of life.
Loretta leads a team of 100 U of A students and 60 full-time personnel out of this building in Tucson. It's an international effort involving NASA, Lockheed Martin, and hundreds more to launch one of the most complicated and ambitious space missions of all time.
As OSIRIS-REx approaches Bennu, we have a whole series of phased observations which are designed to get us ever closer to the surface of the asteroid and ultimately down to the surface to collect the sample. So the first thing we look for is it safe? There might be dust around the asteroid, there might be natural satellites, little moons orbiting around the asteroid. So on approach, we'll be scanning and looking for any sign of anything that might damage the spacecraft and basically clearing the operational environment for OSIRIS-REx to proceed into close proximity. And then we start to characterize the asteroid. We're looking for its mass, its rotation state, surface composition, grain sizes, anything that's going to help us maneuver the spacecraft around the asteroid and ultimately pick the one spot on the surface where we want to get the sample from. We'll fly in, contact the surface for 5 seconds, blow down high pressure gas to stir up all the soil on the asteroid surface, catch it in a big air filter, and then 5 seconds later get away from the asteroid. After we've got the sample, we'll verify that we successfully collected the material, and then we'll put it into a sample return capsule, spend 2.5 years journeying back to the Earth, dropping that capsule into the Utah desert in 2023.
The asteroid is no stranger to Earth. Bennu passes by once every 436 days, and scientists expect that it might get a little bit too close sometime in the next century.
In about 120 years, we think there'll be a very close approach to the Earth. Ultimately, it may come right down to the surface and impact.
And part of the OSIRIS-REx mission is to determine how an asteroid like Bennu could be steered away from our planet, because impact would be unimaginable, even from an asteroid just a half a kilometer wide.
So that would create an explosion of about 3,000 megatons on the surface of our planet. Just for comparison, the nuclear bombs in World War II were about 50 kilotons. So we're talking thousands of times more explosive power than a nuclear weapon.